Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be another quick one. It's about buying components. I'm fairly new to this radio repair electronics game, and buying components, it can be expensive because you might just need a few 100R resistors, a few capacitors, and that's it. And how much that will cost you. But if you want to build up your stock of components, it can be difficult because do you buy each and every value capacitor, or do you just buy some that you're most likely to need? That's what we're building your stock up. But this is an alternative, a random bag of random components off eBay. This is the second bag I've ever had, and I thought, well, you know, why not? I saw it again. All of this cost £10. Yep, you're right, 10 English pounds, and about £3 delivery box here and there. So let's empty it all out and see what we get. Okay, so I've tipped this out and I'm not regretting that I've done it, but let's see what stuff we get. So we got some switches, rockers, I think that is. There we go. 2000 microfarad 200 volt capacitor. Another switch. We get some Vichy capacitors, look at them. Very sexy. LEDs. 13 watt resistor. Some inductor or something. Loads of diodes, ID10T diodes. There's various resistors. A MOSFET there, another resistor. Rotary encoder thing. Some random chip. I don't know what number that is. Lots of stuff, loads of it. I mean, look at this. Now, I've not gone through this individual, but I reckon if you do go onto our RS little diode, CPC, wherever you get your components for, look at that switch. It's a beast in itself. Some more Joja. I've not, I mean, the previous bag I didn't count what I got and how much it will cost individual, but if you go on CPC and little diode or wherever you buy your components from, this will cost you quite a more than 10 quid. And you've even got a little RIC 9. Don't know what that does, find out. It will cost you more than 10 quid, and it's a good way of building up your little stock of components. Also, you can do random little projects with it. I built this, a capacitor, little switch, little pin thing, one of those header pins. Load some solder around, and this is for zapping AF117 transistors. So you put your collector base emitter in there, and yeah, I should have used a small shorter one, but couldn't find it. Put the shield in there, charge the capacitor up, press that to zap it, and obviously stick a resistor across there and hold it down to discharge the capacitor. What volume have we got in there? 1000 microfarad at 50 volt. So yeah, there you go. Do I think this is a good idea of getting components or a bad idea? Well, yes, it's a good idea because you can build your stock up and do random projects. Really wish there was a website where you can just put a load of random components in and it'll give you a project. Is it a bad idea? Not really. I mean, it'll take me a couple of hours or a couple of days to sort this lot out. I've still got to sort the other bag out. I've only just done the capacitors. And there's tons of resistors in there. So I'm never going to fall short of a 100R resistor anyway. Well, not this week anyway. But yeah, I'd like to know what you think. Do you think buying these random bags is a good idea? I mean, they come up on eBay cheap enough anyway, so you can't really argue for 10 quid. But yeah, I'd like to know what you think. put it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that might be. So I'll see. Devices will absorb moisture or sensitive solder reflow. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Best 73, and catch you in the next one. See you again.